So you see the audio has generated and it is on its own timeline already. So you need to wait. It's showing its percent. Wait, let it reach 1%, 100%. It's processing. So now it is loading. So you see it has loaded. Then you click on this arrow, this good arrow. You see video up, audio is down. So we'll sample it. So this is sample. So this is the way it will look like. So if maybe the audio, you don't want audio, since we want just pure soundtrack, we can decide to mute the audio. You understand? Then you click on the image. You can mute the audio. So you can mute the audio. You come to, when you want to mute the audio, the main audio of the video, you only reduce. You understand? You don't touch the down one, it's for the soundtrack. Then you slide, always slide. So now we have something good. You understand? We also have text. This is it. It's under here. Everything you need. Just after the audio, you click on text. Then you write add text. Add text. It means you need to write something. So you click on the middle. Then you write, let's say, beauty viral. Then you come here, you centralize, you make it what? Bold. There are a lot of styles you can choose to use. There are many styles. You understand? If you want it to blur a little, if you want it to be bright, you understand? These are fonts that you want to use. Most of these ones you can download them. They will just charge you for your little data to download all these fonts. But I'm comfortable with this. You can drag it, you can make it, you can also reduce it. You can trim left or trim right. So what I'm doing now, I'm trimming. You trim left, you trim right to where you want. So let's not make it too long. So we just trim it to this point. You understand?
Get new DJ mixes every day on umdundo.com.
So if I don't want this initial talk here,
Every day on umdundo.com.
All I can do is to reduce it like this. All I can do is to reduce it like this. You understand? So we are done with our video. We are done with our video. If we want to do transition, you only click on these points here. You understand? And you click fade. Good. You want transition here. You split the clip. You add. So we now have our video in a simple way. In a simple way. We now have our video. So if you want to export, when you are done with your video, you can watch everything on your timeline to make sure everything is okay. So when you are done, you come up here and export. We have what they call export settings. If you don't want your video to consume too much data. So we have 10,080 is the type that fits for phone, for television, for YouTube, for then we have 360p as well. So if you want to reduce the resolution because of your data, you can use XD 360p. Then you continue. If you click on Google account or network connection, you don't need it. So you just come down to continue. Tell it to continue. Just press continue. When you press continue, you come back here. There is an arrow here. Our video is being exported. So this is the trick. The video is being what? Exported. As it is right now, the video is being exported. So in the next video tutorial, you will learn how to color grade video and how to add effects to video. So our video is ready. Sorry, our video is ready. It's playing. This is what we've edited. Our video is ready. It's already in your device. You can upload and share anywhere. Yes. So this is the essence of the class. So we are done with this section.